Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Very quick video for you today. I'm going to show you the locations of the fuse boxes and the OBD2 Diagnostics port on a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero or Shogun, depending on where you are in the world. So first off, we're going to come over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle. Going to open up the door fully, just come down into the footwell, and we're going to look for the OBD2 socket. Now this is found over to the left, just tucked up here. That is your OBD2 port. For the cabin fuse box, just come back and you'll notice this hatch here above the accelerator pedal. Give that a pull and that'll expose all of your cabin fuses. Now on the back of the lid is the fuse diagram, but I'll also put up a computerized one for you now. Now for your engine bay fuse box, just open up your engine bay by pulling that lever there. Come round to the front of the vehicle. Just above the Mitsubishi badge, there's a lever, push that to the left, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With the bonnet now safe and secure, go over the right hand side of the vehicle. When looking from the front, you'll see your battery. This is your main fuses from your battery, with the three fuse types there. And then this is your main fuse box. There's just one clip at the front. Open that up and that exposes your engine bay fuse box. Now again, on the back of the lid, it actually shows you where each of the fuses are, but I'll also put up a computerized diagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel.